Employment and Labor Relations Court Judge Njagi Marete has been reinstated after the tribunal appointed by President Uhuru Kenyatta to investigate his conduct cleared him of any wrongdoing. The tribunal, led by retired Court of Appeal Judge Alnashir Visram, found no merit on all accusations facing the judge. The complaint against Judge Marete was filed by the Kenya Tea Growers Association, and he was suspended from office after the Judicial Service Commission forwarded a petition to the President to set up a tribunal to probe the matter.
After receiving oral submission from 18 witnesses, the tribunal investigating the conduct of suspended Justice Njagi Marete of the Employment and Labor Relations Court has returned a no guilty verdict. The tribunal, led by retired Court of Appeal Justice Alnashir Visram, said after thoroughly sieving through all evidence tendered by the witnesses and applying the law of land of fairness and principle of equity, found that the sole allegation of gross misconduct or misbehavior contained in a petition by the Judicial Service Commission presented to the President on May 2019 was not proven and could not stand.
And recalling the definition adopted by this tribunal for gross misconduct or misbehavior, we find no merit in the sole allegation of gross misconduct or misbehavior against the Honorable Judge. In consideration of all the evidence tendered and having found that the allegations against the Honorable Judge was not proved,
the tribunal recommending that the judge ought not to be removed from office,
the tribunal unanimously recommended to His Excellency the President that the Honorable Mr. Justice D.K. Njagi Marete ought not to be removed from the office of the Judge of the Employment and Labor Relations Court of Kenya.
In June last year, Justice Marete, through his lawyer Gitobu Imanyara, moved to the court seeking to stop the setting up of a tribunal pending the determination of his petition challenging his allegation. The complaint against the Employment and Labor Court judge was filed by the Kenya Tea Growers Association, claiming the judge had issued orders in a matter that he was well aware that the case had been handled by another judge, rendering the first ruling nugatory. But he defended himself and said the order related to two different applications and as such there was no conflict. The suspended judge, however, lost the case when the court ruled that he had not demonstrated that his rights had been uninfringed. And after 1 year of waiting, the judge is reeling in victory.